Hey everybody, just going to record a little video here of updating the Let Them Eat Cake code base to use the Tailwind just-in-time compiler. Um, pretty standard Laravel setup here, so hopefully this is pretty straightforward. So, find out. I'm going to go to the Tailwind JIT page here. I think all I need is this. So, clear. So yarn add. So. Okay, so cool. Got the Tailwind JIT right there. Then in my mix file, need to include that. Okay, so I think what I have to do here for mix is to plugins is an array, and then we require at Tailwind JIT here. Then we don't need this one, I don't think. And let's see if we need anything else. Stackable variants, known limitations, important option. I don't use important. I don't have a safe list. I don't have any apply, I don't think. No, I've got a couple. Oh, I do have a few things here actually. So let me double check those. You can only use apply that are part of core that aren't. I think that's probably okay. Okay. Yeah. So I think that's it. Just updated the package and then modified my Webpack mix to use the plugin explicitly instead of that kind of other, kind of mix plugin for it. So let's try yarn watch and see what happens. Okay, holy crap, that was fast. I also have this pulled up here on CSS stats. My production right now is 67 kilobytes and 10 kilobytes gzipped. So comparatively, looking down here, looks like 10.6 kilobytes for app.css instead, which is very significant. Now here it is locally running here. Ooh, that's fun. Okay. So that didn't work. Let's go look at my Tailwind config here. I do have purge stuff set up. Tailwind JIT Laravel mix. Let's see if I think I've seen. Yeah, here we go. See if we can get an idea of what's going on here, because I'm not getting anything. Like, I should have a background color or something. It looks like the app did boot. So, yeah, there's just that app CSS file is just seems like it's totally. Oh yeah, it did. Looks like it didn't even like process it. So let's go check the Laravel mix documentation first to see if I got the syntax wrong for including a post CSS instead. Post CSS. It's the post CSS, public CSS. Oh, does this need to be an array? Oh, this looks like it needs to be an array instead. Or well, I don't know. It shouldn't matter. It kind of looked like, but we'll see. See if this fixes it. Okay, that app CSS went back up. So I wonder if I just had the options incorrect. That's probably it. Let's refresh. Hey, back to normal. Okay. Sign in. Cool. Yeah, it looks like everything's working okay. Yep. Looks like that's working. Cool. Yeah, I think that's about it. But seems to be loading. Looks pretty good to me. Okay. So yeah, overall, super easy. I don't really have anything too crazy going on. As you saw, my app CSS just has a couple of custom classes to deal with some background stuff. Though I should be able to translate this to, maybe translate some of this to the JIT, since you can do the breakout stuff now. Especially this like background kind of thing. And probably not that, but some of these. Like this margin top clamp. Probably can do something like that. Actually, let's just see if this works. So, I believe this is on the home page. MT clamp. Yeah. So we could do nt dash. And let's paste this clamp value in. And then let's go refresh this. And I believe this bit down here had to do with stuff relating to how the responsive view for these mountains Did some clamping so they, kind of stay their correct size. Oh yeah, there it is. So let's see here. MT does say MT clamp and have that in there, but I don't know if these are, if this is working correctly. I don't see it being we'll add this back and refresh. Yeah, so it doesn't look like this custom clamp syntax works, but thought I'd give it a try. So anyway, so let's just go ahead and add this over here. Okay, so we got that. Let's let's run yarn prod. See what we get here. Okay. And let's just deploy this really quick and see what we get. Tailwind JIT. We'll check out master and we'll merge this and deploy it. Okay. And we'll push. Okay, so that should just take a minute to sync up to the live version here. Version of that. So let's check the stats again. Cache bust this. See if it matters. Hey, look at there. 39 kilobytes now. So pretty sweet. And overall super easy. Just update package.json to pull in that JIT version, and then update Webpack Mix to use that instead. So pretty easy.